Hi, thanks you guys for purchasing PÜR Evergreen. Welcome to the family. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pre-mix your products. So 16-ounce bottle, which I love our bottles. They're good quality, the nozzle's high quality, and it works great, and you know that it's sanitized and clean. If you bought a 32-ounce bottle, this video is for you. Let's get started. So if you have your 16-ounce bottle and you have your 32-ounce 4X concentrated, what you're going to do is you're going to remove this. I always like to look inside it to make sure it's clean. We rinse them and we clean them before we even send them to you, so they're disinfected. But I always like to double check. And then secondly, what you're going to do is you're going to have your 32-ounce bottle. So what I recommend is some gloves. So let's go get some gloves. So now that you've got your gloves, you're also going to need some distilled water. I recommend distilled water because it works best to get the most cleanest, effective clean and shine that you're looking for. When you use tap water, sometimes the stuff in the tap water will interfere with the cleaner. So distilled water if you guys can. When I mop floors, I usually don't use the distilled water, but for my spray bottles, I do use distilled water. So distilled water, gloves, let's go. Let's mix some cleaner. So when you get your bottle for the 32-ounce, the directions are also on the back for mixing directions, so you can also read that for reference. And all you're going to need is half of this capful for a 16-ounce bottle. So let's make some cleaner. Pour half a capful. Oops, I poured too much. So half a capful, and then you're going to pour it in your 16-ounce bottle. Okay, and it's like so little, you don't need much. If you're doing a heavy, deep clean with lots and lots of like grime and stuff, you can use a capful, but I recommend half a capful to start off with. And then distilled water. Screw on your top. And every time that you use PÜR Evergreen, I recommend shaking it because we do use natural oils, essential oils, and we do use natural plant-based soaps. So I recommend giving it a good shake. Each time you use it, give it a good shake. Don't be afraid. I also recommend shaking the 32-ounce bottle when you get it. And it's ready to go. Turn the nozzle on. A good spray. And it smells heavenly. So that's how you're going to mix 32-ounce bottle to a 16-ounce bottle. Super easy peasy, right? Thanks, and check out all my other videos.